no te alcanza.
Q50 for what?
Full carbon fiber impulse bumper.
Full carbon thing. She needs some new eyelids.
God damn, this fool went off-roading or something, man. Off-roading Q50? Oh, mama. Geek. So for those bumpers, we do need 14-17 grills. He bought it. He bought it on the side because he has the 18 lugs bumper. So his grill don't fit.
That was black grill.
Shout out to my boss.
Drinks? Good drinks?
You know, I'm wired up.
We're wired up.
I'm wired up.
Oh. Bro, this tax. $2 for 10 zip ties? Oh, that's 15. Ah, that don't work.
Sheesh. That's it for this one. Catch you at the next one. Deuces.